Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna show you how you can install Python step by step. So let's get started. And yeah, preparing for installation. So first, you need to identify your operating system. If and I mean by you need to check if you're using Windows, Mac, or Linux. And you wanna ensure that you have internet connection or connectivity. And yes, make sure your device is connected to the internet for downloading Python, and that is very important. And you need to choose a Python version. Decide whether to install the latest release or a specific version. And I recommend you do the latest release. So, downloading Python, I'm going to show you step by step. So first, you need to go to python.org. Let me just bring up my browser, and over here you're gonna go to python.org, and then you're gonna go to downloads. So downloads is over here. After that, choose your OS. Pick one, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Mac OS or Linux. So I'm of course going to Windows, and then as you can see, you're gonna download the installer. You're gonna download a release. So I'm gonna download this, and yeah, I'm gonna cut this part when I'm downloading, and I'm gonna see you in the other part. So I'm back, and sorry for the mistake. And my mistake was you're going to downloads and you're clicking the Windows or your system, but you don't need to do that. You just wanna select, you wanna hover over downloads and just click Python Install Manager, or get the standalone installer for Python and 3.14.4, or this is gonna be a different version for you. So I'm gonna do this. So as you can see, you don't wanna download this because it's gonna give you the Python Manager MSI, and you don't want that. We only want the Python. So then you're gonna do this, run it, and over here, and you're seeing this, we're gonna save the file, save to the installer file to your computer. We already did that, so yeah. Now when we are over here, we can just get the here, as you can see. Now we're gonna launch it. We already did. Choose the installation options. Select add Python to path, and that is very important for easier command line and access. Then customize settings if needed, or process to default options. So you just wanna click over here. So as you can see, after a quite bit, it says setup was successful. Now you just want to close it. And now this is and now you're gonna verify your installation or check if you installed it. So over here, you're gonna put EMD and over here you wanna just put Python.